Log into your account and click Loan Offers. Find and select a suitable offer. Enter the amount you would like to borrow. Select the currency and duration of the loan. Enter your stablecoin address to receive the loan and click Start Contract. Click on Provide Public Key. Go to your Debifi app, tap on Public Key Required, and then Provide Public Key. Type your PIN code. Go back to debifi.com and wait for the lender to provide the key. Open the app to sign the contract. Tap Signature Required and Sign Contract. Provide PIN code and wait for the lender to sign the contract. Open your Bitcoin wallet and transfer required amount to the provided address. Wait for the lender to transfer the funds. To pay loan origination fee, click Make Payment. Open your Debifi app and select Origination Fee Required. Tap Pay Origination Fee. Type your PIN. Enter two-factor authentication code and tap Submit. Loan contract is now in progress. To pay back the loan, click Make Repayment. Open your wallet and send the required amount to the specified address. Copy and paste transaction ID and click Submit Repayment. Click Provide BTC address to release your collateral. Copy-paste your BTC address and click Submit Bitcoin address. Click Release BTC. Open your Debifi app and tap Confirm Collateral Release. Type your PIN. Enter two-factor authentication code and tap Submit. Contract is now completed.